I want to show this strategy to every one of you. Okay, this is like my own gift, my Xmas gift to every one of you, right? So just like I promised you that I'll be dropping only good and profitable strategies, profitable contents here, contents whereby you watch and learn something about the financial markets. That's all I will be doing, or I will be uploading on this channel. So that's exactly what I'm doing now. I'm about to unleash this mad crazy strategy here that's gonna make you so much money, right? So I'll quickly show you guys the settings and how to use this strategy, right? So this strategy is for catching up spikes, right, on boom and crash, right? I don't scalp with this strategy. It's mainly for catching up spikes on boom and crash, right? Boom 1000, crash 1000, and all, right? So today, due to time, I don't like long videos, so I'll make this video very short, and then it's gonna be about how to catch spikes on the crash market. All right, so that I'll take my time to explain everything for you guys to get a better understanding, right? So please, if you're new on our channel, kindly smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, drop some good comments, and join the free Telegram channel, right? So for accounts management, I'm ready for accounts. I'm always up for accounts management. If I have up to $200, hit me up. Let's deal. Let's make money together and grow together. For mentorship, our mentorship starts January. Okay, the new batch starts January. Make sure that you start learning how to analyze the financial markets yourself. So here's the good thing about knowing how to analyze the financial markets, because if you know how to analyze the chart, you can analyze currency, synthetic, even crypto, any chart at all. Okay, so the main thing is just to know how to do your analysis by yourself. So I'm a naked trader, and I trade the naked charts. When I open my chart, all I need is just horizontal line and my trend line, and I'm good. I know where the market is actually going. Okay, so let me quickly show you guys my free Telegram channel too. So this is my free Telegram channel. I'm running a promo right now, Xmas specials, where you pay only $60 to join my mentorship plus signals. Okay, and $30 for signals lifetime. Okay, and yeah, for signals lifetime. Okay, you can see this. All right, so we've been dropping free signals few days, some days, these few days. Okay, I'll be dropping free signals, so more and more. So we have the mentorship as well and all. So this very batch. This is our batch now. You can see here, whenever I drop I finish my class, I need to record. I must record a video and share with my mentors. I drop some PDFs for them to learn. I send some videos to them. Everybody learn from this video and grow. Okay, so this is the new batch, the current batch right now. So January we start with a new batch again. Okay. All right, so this strategy, like I said, is for catching up spikes. So I want to show you how to catch spikes on the crash market. Okay, how to catch spikes on the crash market. So let me quickly show you guys how to use this strategy. So this is the strategy. Now look at this. Whenever you see for crash, whenever you see markets or price around this indicator, around this 85 level, and this yellow indicator at the level 90, okay, you'll be looking at selling. So this blue one here must touch the 85 level, while this yellow one here must touch the 90 level. Now this yellow one is always very fast, while this one is a bit the period is slow, while this period is really fast. So that's why this one gets to this point to get you ready. The market is close to our points of interest, right? Then this one now gets to the 85% level, and you sell, you short from that level. Hopefully, if market could get to that point before we close this video, then we're gonna sell around that level. Okay, so now we have the yearly indicator around the 90 level, and the 85 is approaching, sorry, the blue indicator is approaching 85, right? The same thing here. We had the same thing here, and there was a long spike. There was a massive spike here, We had the same thing, the yellow indicator at level 90 and the blue at 85, right? We had the same thing here. Level 90 and 85, there was a long spike. Okay. Over and over. We have the same thing here too. There was a massive spike. All right. There was massive spike. There was massive spike everywhere, guys. So we're killing the market with this strategy. Massive spike, guys. I'm giving you guys this strategy for free. So show me love by subscribing. Join the Telegram channel, guys. It's very important. Join the Telegram channel. Very, very important. Very, very important. So every place we have a spike, then let's check the crash 500. Crash 500. Okay, crash 500 just spiked from that level. You see, we have the blue indicator at this 85% level and the yellow at 90 level, and there was a spike. The same thing here, same thing here, and all these places we have the same levels, spikes happening the same level. So that's it. That's the strategy. That's simple. So this strategy is for crash 1000, crash 500, B1000, B500, right? Then use the third zoom level. We have the first one, the second one, the third one here, and you centralize your indicator, your screen like this. All right, centralize your screen like this. If you move it to this other side, it's hard for you to see. When you move it to this other side, it's also hard for you to really see. So you centralize your charts very well on your screen so as to see what you're doing. Okay, let me show you the settings, guys. We have the first indicator we are bringing in will be indicator on the indicator window one. The first indicator we are bringing in will be relative strength index, RSI. The RSI period is not important. The period is not important. We can still put your 16. Then we apply to typical price. Okay, the levels here we have the first level, we have 15, we have 85, we have 10, and we have 90. Okay, you click on done. Then the styles here, we don't want anything to be shown, so you use black. You choose white there, and yeah, you click on done. Then you go back again, you click this level here. I don't know if you guys know where to click here. You click here to bring the icon, to bring the indicator in. You tap the plus sign here to bring in an indicator window one to bring in Ichimoku. So Ichimoku, you bring in Ichimoku. Your Ichimoku here, Tenkan Sen is 6, Kijun Sen is 6, Senkun Span B is 52. You click here to fill this level, and Tenkan Sen is the same color with your background. Kijun Sen is the same color. Chiku Span is the same color. Up Kumu is blue and down Kumu is red. Okay, all right, down Kumu is red. You click on done. So that's it for Ichimoku. That's it for Ichimoku. Then you go back again to add the CCI, Community Channel Index. With the level here, we have 460. Okay, typical price. The levels here, we have minus 100 and 100. It's not really important. The color, you have the yellow color, you choose yellow or orange, whatever. You click on done. So those are the indicators here on the indicator window, right? So like I said, you wait for market to get to the overbought zone, then you catch the spike, you jump in and it spikes. Let's check the crash 1000. It's still close to that level. It does not touch the level, very close to the level. Yeah, so that's it for this strategy. Once this level is touched, you can see now this is why I say you should centralize your your screen. See, if I move to this point, it looks like the Ichimoku has touched the level 85. When I move to this level, it hasn't touched the 85, very close to the 85. So you need to centralize it. You have to centralize it like this so that you'll be able to know when it has gotten to that point very well. Okay, because you don't have to force the market. It must come to you. Wait for it to come to you. Wait for market to touch that 85 level. Then you're looking at catching spikes at that point. Okay, just like this one here, you got spikes at that point. Okay, so yeah, that's it, guys. That'll be all for now.